right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the this has been What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We're in an interesting place. This is my first time in a junkyard. Pull your own parts, whatever. And there's a lot of cars. Like, there was a FRS right over there, and there's a bunch of cars. What's up, Louis? It's my friend Louis. We both have TSXs now. He's the one that influenced me to get the TSX. We're just browsing through everything, and we're just looking for parts. I've never been to one of these, so I just wanted to check it out. And I already found a TSX, and surprisingly, it's a 6-speed manual. And I'm gonna try to get the ECU out of it, and just a bunch of little pieces here and there that are pretty rare. So I'm very surprised that I found a 6-speed manual TSX in a wreck, and it still has the engine and everything. So guys, if you need an engine, you should like find a place like this so you can pull your own engine and save a bunch of money. Like, you save a lot of money. So I mean, the hard part is actually pulling the part yourself. Bunch of minivans, but like this whole part right here is like all Hondas. It's kind of a shitty day, but it doesn't matter. We're out here having some fun. Look at a V6 Accord.
Fun because I have an airbag that fits the 04, 05.
Ooh, I might just found my own airbag. Surprisingly, this airbag right here fits the TSX, so I'm gonna swap from Acura to Honda, and I'll probably use this airbag. So I already found an airbag, which is awesome, and I keep on looking. I have a K24 from an Accord, great for a swap. That one was taken apart, but ooh, valve cover, bro. We found a valve cover. We might have to take that, man. Is that cracked or anything? Doesn't look like it.
Nah, it doesn't look like it.
I think they just pulled it out of this one right here.
Yeah.
But we just found a valve cover. We might have to take that and get it power coated or something. These are all Civics here. How long you been doing this?
I've been coming here for about 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah. Second time I actually came here, I saw a pair of S2000s that were here, so I got a bunch of parts for my SDK. But you never know what you find. I mean, it's a crappy day, but there's almost nobody here, so it's like the perfect time to be here.
Yeah, there's nobody here, so we can take our time. This is really cool. So like, if you want to like swap a EK hatch, look at a freaking valve cover just like in the ground, just lost. But my sneakers are, I should have brought better sneakers. I didn't.
Get those connectors off.
We're trying to figure this out, man. All right, so you took the cover up.
Yeah, now we gotta get the bolts on the bottom.
Very nice. We're trying to get this out of here, man. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit, but it should be good, right?
Yeah.
Poor Accord. It's sad to see these cars crashed. So this is Louis, 65R parts at a junkyard. This is how you uninstall an airbag. Dude, I've done 2 DIYs on this already. This is different. I didn't have to worry about scratching anything, so
This is easier.
hell yeah. This is almost coming off. This bolt was already out, so somebody was trying to get it out before us, but we're almost there. This car is giving me allergies, man. Somebody used to smoke in here.
That's all yellow up there. Jesus.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's freaking gross. Woo, we're out. Ready?
Yeah, disconnect the
Oh yeah. I should know this, man. I've done this too many times. This is Julio, by the way, over there.
DC5R Julio.
Yeah, right there. Oh. We're just having some fun picking some parts out. All right.
Boom.
Yo, we have an airbag, bro.
Dual stage.
Dual stage, man. Should drop in.
That's
Nice
gonna be
and
clean.
You gonna grab it? Oh, you're gonna say, oh. Yeah, we don't need that. Dude, we're gonna get a bunch of these. Whatever. Oh, do you know what I really want? Perfect.
Oh,
That's
wait.
exact. Wait, is it correct?
No, it's good. It's good.
It's good? I want one of these because I'm gonna put it on the TSX.
That's what I did.
Yep. Blackout. Alright, don't fall, dude. Don't fall. You got this. Alright, let's go over here. So let's not lose the only 10 mil we have here, because that will be really, really bad. Do we have the black screws right here too?
Yeah, OEM anodized black.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that.
No, man. $3.99, baby. Oh, we got a rusted bolt. Come on, baby. Oh, nope, we good. OEM.
Never fails.
Never fails. Oh, shit.
There we go.
No, we're good. Whew. Nice, dude. Look at this. Perfect. So, do you want to take some coil packs?
Why not?
One? Just take one, right? Why not? Because these are dense, though, man. So we're gonna take these two parts, and we're gonna meet up our other friend Julio over there. He found something very interesting. He wanted to go over there, so let's get it.
Let's go.
We found some TLs. We got a TL over here, RL, another TL. But this RL right here, you can actually use the calipers, which are Brembo calipers. You can actually put these on the TSX, which is awesome, but they're missing. They know what they have, man. It's another TL, MDX. Oh, I thought that was an S2000. That's a BMW. You thought it was too?
I seen the top. I was like, is that a... Nope.
Nope, it's not. Check this out. I just found some gold emblems, bro. We just found a Subi. I think it's a Hawkeye. Is this a WRX? Maybe not. But the engine's gone, the transmission's there though. We got some CRVs. Ridge lines. Honda's over there. We got a Honda Fit with a Civic in the background. Imagine K-swapping this. This thing will go. Look what we found. An old Prelude and an EK hatch. Oh man, this one's been through some stuff. Pop-up headlights. That's cool. Well, we have an old hatch. You know these headlights. Oh man. Somebody's probably gonna say in the comments, man, I could have K-swapped that. It lived its life, and I'm sure somebody had fun with it. If you clean the seats up, they're really nice. Go, Julio, show them the little mechanism. Like, everything works on it. And this car has 48,000 miles. That's freaking crazy. That's too bad it ended up here, huh?
Pop-up headlights and everything.
Yeah.
Nice classic.
It is a classic, but man. Poor Prelude. Somebody didn't take care of it. Because it doesn't look crashed, does it? It's not crashed or anything. It has the motor in it.
Look at the fucking engine.
Dude.
Back then, 1.8, bro.
What?
B21.
B21?
B21, 2.1.
B21.
We just found like the holy grail of cars.
Bro, it's got a Gallo 24.
Gallo 24. So it got super cold, and I had to put this poncho on. He's wearing blue, I'm wearing blue. He's wearing blue. We don't care, man. The Three Musketeers.
Told me for the flex pipe, $10.
So what do we need to do?
I told him I also need the trim pieces. He's like, probably like $2 a piece.
What?
I just told him I can get at it, just gotta raise it up. So he's gonna see if the guys are available. We'll take the car and put it up there.
He's gonna move a TSX and put it there so we can do our thing. So now I'm inside the TSX, and somebody already took the steering wheel with everything, and the seats are alright. Mine are in much better condition, but I want to take the sunroof because my seal on the sunroof, it actually has a little hole, but that's gonna be a lot of work. I'm not sure yet, but something that I really want is the computer, which is all the way in there. And I noticed that this one has a short shifter. I'll take this button too because mine is bad, and that button over there. It's really cool going to places like this. I'd never done this before, and I'm so lucky that I found the same exact car that I have manual out of all of them, like, because there's a lot more automatics than there is manuals. So never mind. I mean, I took this apart, but I just looked at it. There's no short shifter. I don't know if there's something wrong with my shifter or something, but I took it all apart. It just feels really, really short, but I don't know if it's because it doesn't have the shift knob, but the shifter just goes back to center like really nice. So I'm not sure if he did anything here, or the person that owned this before me, or they replaced the shifter springs inside the transmission, which is another cheap mod that you can do to stiffen up the transmission shifting feel. And he might have changed the selector springs, so I'm just gonna leave this alone, but I'm gonna take the ECU. As you can see, it's over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And this is a K24 chilling here. And we found some a header right there. So we're gonna lift it up and take it out. This is so fun. We took the headlights out. They actually had JDM headlights, so we definitely took that. What's up, guys? Next day here, and this is all we got from the junkyard, or scrapyard I should say. Paid $22 for all of this. This is such a bargain. We got a valve cover with Denso coil packs. Obviously everything's so dirty right now, but once I refinish it, I'm planning on doing like wrinkle red or wrinkle black. I'm not sure just yet, but I want to do a different color, maybe blue, wrinkle blue. I mean, that would look sick. Spark plug covers, they go right there. Out of the TSX, I got a shift book cover. Not bad, doesn't have any rips, it just needs to be cleaned up. I got some switches for the driver's side. This is the most important part right here. I got a ECU, a manual ECU for my car. Now I have a spare ECU that I can send out to get chipped. So I might do K-Tuner or Honda. Not sure yet which route I'm gonna go, but I have a spare ECU that I can send out. Airbag from the Honda Accord that actually fits on the TSX, so that was a nice bargain. And it's plug and play. It comes with everything, all the plugs. This is like an auto dimming, so it was a great deal. These go bad all the time, so I just wanted to grab it and have a spare one. This is the immobilizer unit for the ECU, so all these two go together. Let's put that over there. And these are buttons that actually were bad on the TSX. The bulbs on the TSX were burnt out, so I just grabbed that. These are the traction control button, the heating seats. I know one of these is bad on my TSX, and now I have a spare one, and also another one. These are for the glove box. All this for $22. It's insane. Once I clean everything up, it'll look nicer, I promise. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you found it super entertaining to go to a scrapyard with me. It was my first time, and I was able to find some awesome parts that I may or may not use, but for $22, you can't beat it. We're gonna continue on with Project Euro. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and until the next one, peace.